Hey guys, what's up? So ngayon umorder tayo ng murang internal speakers para sa Yoga 510 i5-1SK. So ito na siya, dumating after about 3 weeks. So in-order ko to sa Shopee at I'm gonna be putting in the link down below. So let's open this up. So, ito lang naman niya. Speaker lang. At I bought this knowing na hindi siya mag-fit sa laptop ko. This is like one of the cheapest speakers that I could find. So, ito para daw sa Yoga 310. And my Yoga is 510. So, as you can see here, iba yung korte niya when we open up the laptop. So we just need to open up 11 screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And then we just have to be very careful when opening up the back panel kasi lalo na kung sobrang matanda na yung laptop mo, you can easily crack the back panel. So ito buksan ko na a lot of times. I even replaced the SSD here and changed the RAM stick. Okay, so you can see here, iba yung korte niya, and I suggest na i-off nyo muna yung speaker, yung laptop nyo, no? I have mine still on. I'm currently playing music, and I have this detached here. This is the speaker. This is the port for where the speaker plugs in, and as you can see here, I applied the glue fix, and after some time, hindi na siya umubra. Okay, so yung style ng internal speakers na 510 is very different from what I purchased, but I don't mind it. Gagawa ko na ng paraan. So ito daw yung left area and ito yung right. Okay, so as you can see, masyadong maiksi yung cord nito and iba yung configuration niya. So I might need to do some hacking in terms of hacking away physically the support structures dito sa speakers so I can fit this in. And I don't want to mess around with pulling out the battery and soldering in new pins for this. So I'll just chop this up and basically do a very rough splice para makabit lang to. So just to check if this is working, plug in lang natin to. So do this at your own risk. I won't be held responsible if you damage your laptop this way. Ako, okay lang. I'm aware of my risks. So, try lang natin pinahan ng konti. Okay. So yun, basically dito lang ulit ako kakabit sa main plug niya. And again, since flipped yung blue, flipped yung red and blue wires niya, pero positive is nandito sa kanan and yung negative nandito sa kaliwa. As you can see here, red and black, white and blue. Dito naman, sa original niya, is white and blue, red and black. Okay, so this is the left. So dito siya, and dito siya. So okay, I'm just gonna get my cutters and start chopping away. Okay, so hindi naman naka-glue itong existing speakers niya. So madali lang yung surgery natin. Okay. So yun, ideally, I'll just open this up and expose the wires from the internals and habain natin to sana, no? Pero yun nga, tamad tayo. Bilisang fix lang naman to. Not we want to stress ourselves out too much. So just put this here. There. So again, this is for the blue, and this is for the red, or right, left. Okay. Okay, so let's just cut it here. Then, itong part na to, I'm not gonna cut this all the way here, no? Just in case I want to reattach this. So, kabitan na lang natin ng tape. I'll just secure it around this area. So ito yung support ng original speaker. So I'm just gonna cut this out. So may pwesto siya dito. Okay, so testingin na natin. Again, naka-expose yung wire ko for the right side. Alalay na lang dun. So let's just do a quick test kung nakakalas ba yung connection natin sa left side. So yeah. Okay, so everything's working dito sa side na to. Let's work on the other side. So again, tanggalin lang natin to. Okay, so everything is set up. Na screw na natin lahat. Nabalik na natin yung back panel without any issues. And we're gonna test again if the left and right speakers are working properly. So let's just play something. Okay, so you'll see here, ito yung sa left and right speaker balance, and we're gonna turn everything to 0 first, and let's pull up the left balance to 100. So ito siya, ito. Okay, and let's turn it off. Check the right. Okay, and everything set to 100. So yun, gumagana, left and right. Success yung ano natin, Ghetto fix. Kaya lang, again, this is not really recommended. I strongly suggest na you get the proper speaker for your model, no? For your laptop's model. The sound quality compared to the original one is, this is not as good as the original. Medyo lacking yung base nung install natin bago kumpara sa original. Pero yun nga, para sa halagang 300-400 pesos, pwede na. Yun, I had to do some modifications to the speaker that I bought. So yeah, again, for 300-400 pesos, not bad.